I'm John. This dance is called Underneath the Mango Tree. It's 32 counts and 4 waltz. If you want to follow along with me, I'm going to use the wall to your left as a 12 o'clock wall because most of the action happens once we turn a quarter turn to 3 o'clock. So here's how it goes. Starting with a night club, turn, night club, and. The count on that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, step lock and a coaster step. Step, lock, step, hold, coaster, step, hold. We're going to 2 step points, cross step points, step, point, and a vine to the right. Vine, 2, 3, touch. Now we're going to do a vine to the left, followed by a step drag. Vine, 2, 3, 4, step, 2, 3, touch. And that's the entire dance. Now there is a tag in this dance, it's 16 counts, and it's a syncopated K step. So if you picture K on the floor, we're going to go to the top point, to the center, to the bottom point, and back to the center with shuffles in between. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the entire dance. 32 counts, pretty quick, and relatively easy. Hope you enjoy it.
Waiting for the sunlight to come rising from the sea. We lay under cover, shaded by the mango tree. We could stay forever, never leave this paradise, swaying in the ocean breeze to the rhythm of the tide. Tomorrow, oh tomorrow, take your time, 'cause we got time to borrow. I love you, say that you love me too. We can turn the whole world upside down. Just us two, nobody else will do. 'Cause baby, you're the only one for me. Underneath the mango tree,
drifting like the ocean, daydreams dancing in the wind. Sand is sticking to our bodies, just like sugar on our skin. The day is getting older, oh, but we are still so young. Higher than the stars above and faded like the sun.
tomorrow, oh tomorrow, take your time, 'cause we got time to borrow. I love you, say that you love me too, and we can turn the whole world upside down. Just us two, nobody else will do. 'Cause baby, you're the only one for me.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Underneath the mango tree. Just us two,
It's me and you.
nobody else will do, baby. underneath the mango tree.